Hi crafters, this is Pam, Pam's Paper Place, and I wanted to share a few things. There was a challenge with Dale, not too shabby chic, to see how many whoever would send the most people over to her channel, and I think I got second prize. And she sent me these goodies. It was in November, but I just received these pretty items. Look at this. It looks like a bow that she made with this little button in the middle. That'd be pretty on a journal. And then I received, oh, look at that, pretty sparkly. These pretty, like these are really pretty eyelash. There's an orangey one and some really fuzzy fun ones. I got those. And then this really pretty, like a crochet doily-like. And I might be using this in an upcoming project that I'll show you. And then I got some really neat, I don't know if this was part of it. I think this was part of something else. But I got all these nice little bits and pieces. All this stuff we can use, you know, for a, you know, in a journal, for little clusters, flips. Here's some blue. Pretty. And this little piece. And this item. And then I got one of these little white paper sacks. And then a couple, or a pattern. And you can use the paper inside also. Good for a journal. And then this little piece here is pretty. And then some beautiful napkins. Look at these birds here. So sweet. Here's a really pretty Christmas one. And then this is beautiful. And then really pretty, this would be nice for summer. Got some bright sunflowers. And then I got some beautiful buttons that I put in this dish here. Really cool, vintagey buttons. I love buttons. And look at this little metal cross. Just fun. Fun buttons. So thank you, Dale. I appreciate it. Look at this one. I really love that one. They're gorgeous. I appreciate it. Thank you, my friend. That's cool. So isn't that nice? I appreciate it. Awesome. And then I also wanted to share a purchase that I made. This is with Speckled SeaHorse. I'm pretty sure that's her name. And it's Randy with Speckled SeaHorse. And that cute little tag with her seahorse on there. And then I got this little, it's like a little fabric, I don't know what you call it, but a little fabric bundle. Isn't that beautiful? And it has this little clip at the top with these flowers. And yeah, I think this piece came off of here. But look at all these beautiful laces and fabrics and vintage and so pretty. So check out her, look at that one. Oh, this is beautiful too. Check out her Etsy, Speckled SeaHorse, and I'll put the links to Dale's and Randy's channel. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. I love these colors. Gorgeous. Look at that one too. Very, very nice. I love this purchase. Hope I'm showing it right. That's pretty. I might be using this in a some of the stuff that I got. I'm making a Shabby Chic kind of file folder type. I don't know what you call it. What you call it? A folio? Look at that. Love that. So check out her shop. And then I'll show you the projects that I'm working on. I'm not done. I'm just going to show you just a little bit. I followed Robin Dudley Howe's tutorial on these. They're made out of file folders, and I made 3 of them. They're not finished, but these, I think a lot of this stuff and what Dale gave me would look really neat in these. And then this opens up, and then there's pockets in there. So that's as far as I got. Was, you know, putting the lace on here, inking it, putting the pockets on this, and then stamping, and then this is a pocket. And then it will also open up here, and then stuff will go in here. And then, yeah, there's a pocket here. And then there's a pocket here. So I'm really liking this. It's going to be so much fun. I'm waiting for her next installment, although I'm going to do mine a little different. You know, you always do yours, you know, have a different spin. I'm also going to incorporate, I bought this from Pamela, Gypsy Girl Crafts, Pamela, and I'm going to incorporate this type of, you know, I'm going to do a little of Robin's and a little of Pamela's. I'm going to do this to mine here, coming over the side like this. And then I think also I'm just going to, on the backs, put my journal in here. Robin does have like a cascading letters or something, but I may add that to the inside instead. I may do it a little different. So that's what I've been working on, and I just wanted to show, you know, the great things that I also, the purchase, and then what I received from Dale. So, whoops, this is upside down. Anyway, thanks for watching, and once I finish these, I will do a video on the completed little, I don't know what they're called, folios maybe. So, that's what I've been working on. Hope you have a great weekend. Bye-bye.